Giuseppe's Marketplace with Frankie the baker.
Hello, Lily. How are you?
Hello. I'm very excited because this is one dessert I love. Tell everybody what we're making.
So we're gonna make a coconut custard pie, and we're gonna turn that into the coconut cream pie.
I love that.
We got some heavy cream, a little powdered sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. And we're gonna put it on low speed. All right, now we're gonna come back and make our custard mix. So we have heavy cream again. We have 3 eggs. We're gonna whisk this real quick. All right, you got your custard going, and you add a little bit of sugar. Candied, toasted coconuts. Pour that in, and then we're going in again, right on top. We're gonna bake 350 for 40 minutes. Here we got a cooled pie.
Ooh, nice.
All right.
Look at that.
How high do we go, Lily?
Go high, as high as you possibly can.
We're gonna grab all this coconut and make it snow.
Little powdered
Top it off.
sugar.
We're gonna make it snow some more.
Do it, do it. And you know what else you should do? Try this at home. So head to our website, newspelt.com, and you will find the recipe there. Frankie, thank you.
All right, Lily, thank you so much.